Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xerox Altalink c8070 error code 342-323. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when there is a failure with the drum motor. According to our research, this error is likely caused by improper drum cartridge seating or a power issue with the printer. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to reseat the drum cartridges. Once you are done resetting the drum cartridges, check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then power the printer off and on using the full power off/on procedure. First, press the power switch on the lower center tray to the off position and wait for at least 15 seconds. Then open the front cover and press the main power switch to the off position. Then wait for at least 15 seconds, then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Then wait another 15 seconds and plug the power cable back in. Now press the main power switch behind the front cover to the on position and wait for 15 seconds. Finally, press the power switch on the lower center tray to the on position. Then check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.